Hey everybody, it's Riley again here at Lost Treasures. I was hoping to get on and do a live video a little bit earlier than this, but I've been on the phone with eBay's customer support. And if you want a really nice waste of time, try calling eBay. Yeah, hour plus on the phone with them and I got nowhere. And they have to call me back tomorrow. But anyway, I told you guys we were gonna do a pallet. So I have this one here. We're gonna go for about 15 minutes and we're gonna dig through it and see what all we have. There's a lot of big stuff on this pallet, so it'll probably go really fast. Let me get my phone up here so you guys can see it. Okay. There we go. Okay. So, let's see what all we have here. We have, I have no idea what this is. It looks like it goes to a desk. And I'm assuming it is a keyboard holder and a mouse holder for a desk. We have a fun little stool. That'll be handy to put on the pallets. Looks like we have a mattress topper. I showed you guys these earlier. These are heavy, heavy duty. They look like they are for a very heavy piece of, like a cart you use to move heavy items. They're definitely heavy duty. So, and it just so happens that we have a cart without wheels. Hey, look at this. We got 4 of those. That's awesome. We have some floor mats. We have some floor mats. This is a dog bed. This is actually a really nice sized dog bed. And it's nice and poofy. Vibrant life. That's cool. If you've got a puppy that needs a new bed, that'll be nice. We have kids disposable face masks. So if your kids, you say ages 4 through 15, that's a tough one because everybody's supposed to be wearing face masks and most face masks are not made for kids. So these are kind of nice, you know, they're made for smaller faces. We have several boxes of them. So if you've been looking for face masks that fit your kids better, come in and see us. We'll have these out tomorrow. And the girls already had a tote for me. Wine bottle holder. That's nice. Set that on your counter. And 9-bottle wine rack. Like I said, this pallet is mostly larger items. This is a 3-inch mattress cover for like a mattress pad. These are good. We actually use a lot of these with furniture. These are rolls of saran wrap. Sometimes we get stuff like this that's really good. Saves us money so we can keep our prices down for everybody. This is Dormify. Your bed has been approved for an upgrade. Looks like this is a... I'm not sure what this is. I'll have Lynn look into it. It looks like it is a headboard cover for a dorm. Masterminds DVD. More kids' face masks. A nice green accent pillow. So we actually have 2 of these. This is kind of nice. This is a red one. These are if you're a business owner and you need a mop bucket. We have 2 of these. We have a yellow one and now we have a red one. pretty wreath. A large white dove paint roller. LED solar disc lights. Those are nice. If you're looking for some for your yard, these are really nice. Allen Roth. That's a good brand. So what is this? A Vanity Light. So this is a Vanity Light that goes over your vanity sink. If you're looking to do an upgrade in a bathroom, that might be really nice. Okay, Hot Lips Loader. 50 round capacity for loading up magazines for a 1022. Those are kind of nice. I actually have 2 of these. I use them for mine, and they work really well if you're into shooting. More Mastermind DVDs. These are actually in pretty good shape. Single hole punch. We have a even flow high chair if you're looking for a high chair. From what I hear, there's supposed to have been a lot of babies born in the last couple of weeks, like last 2 months. So if you're looking for a high chair, there you go. Storage containers. These are cool. Good grips, smart seal, little storage containers. Those are kind of cool. They're small. You can see they fit in my hand. I do have big hands, but they're small. They're glass. Those are nice. We'll get those out quick too. That's heavy. So this is a big spring for a truck, automotive parts. And this has the same numbers on it, so I'm assuming it is the exact same thing. Yep. We have wash rags. These are really nice. Really nice wash rags. They are very soft. They might even be hand towels. Eight-pocket purse organizer. Wow. Organizes 8 handbags in your closet. Ladies, there you go. Guys, great Christmas gift. We have a King gel mattress topper. So unfortunately, that's not going to go in the shop because I've been looking for one for the bed, and that's going to go home with me. If anybody's using their swimming pool, we've got a rocking lounge for a hot tub or a swimming pool. You can kind of see what it looks like. Imagine it work in a hot tub. It looks a little big. Let's see. Coverlet. And it's a king size. That's actually really pretty. It's white. Got some unique designs on it. More 8-pocket purse organizers. So we have plenty for everyone. Some nice sea foam or teal patio furniture covers. 8-pound weight. These are nice. We like these coated ones. There you go. Adult diapers. We have a lot of these, so if anybody needs them, let us know. A baguette board. That's kind of cool. I didn't even know they made those. Let's see here. Okay. So, funny story, these are more face masks for kids. Back a couple months ago, We have a weighted ball, or a tether ball. We have a tether ball. Copycat recipes. We know what those go to, and those are really nice. It's a knife set. We had some customers come out, and so those are storage cubes. Sorry. But we had some customers come out. They wanted to go through a pallet, and I was letting them go through a pallet, and I leaned over the side, and I fell in head first. Prestige lumbar support. That's cool. And these are bed shams that go with that coverlet, and they are both keen. That's awesome. Another mattress pad, very small, twin. The other thing we have a lot of, for those of you that are business owners, we have tons of these. We don't have the hand sanitizer to go in them, but we have tons of these if you need them. Rollers for an office chair, more recipe books. Let's see what else we have here. We have more solar lights. We have something that is Star Wars. So this is a mini portable Death Star picnic table. 4 cup holders. That's kind of cool. That's actually really cool. Definitely the Death Star, if you can see that. So if you're a Star Wars fan and you want a picnic table, come in tomorrow, and this will be here at the shop. Let's see what this box is. Oh, wow. This is cool. This is a cool find. Okay. So this is LSU National Champions 2019 display ball. LSU Tigers 2019 National Championship display ball with a stand. Guess I should get it in the camera, right? That is actually really cool. So if you're a fan of LSU Tigers versus the Clemson Tigers, 42-25. I'm not a big football fan, but if any of you are, there you go. We've got something really unique. Not every day we see something like this. Get it back in the box. It is made in China, so that kind of sucks, but this is a car part. It's for a Subaru Impreza. It's the left front fender splash guard. And no toys, Dan, not in this one. Multi-use shopping cart liner. We had all those little shopping carts in here. This is a liner for them. And now we're down to one of those shopping carts because they're just not built for weight. You put 100 pounds of weights in them and they fall apart really fast. Rubber bands. Those are fun. Let's see what else we have here. We have a couple Chase the Sun. These are kind of cool. They're just really unique. Clothespins with magnets on the back, or one of them has a magnet, the other one's missing its magnet. Just hang those on the door so I don't lose them. Take Note washable gel pens. USB mic. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it is a squishy piece of something. Not sure what it's to, but yeah. We have another really nice shock. I've really got to start getting these things up on eBay. Let's see. couple more of these without the magnets. We'll just stick the magnet one and just pin them to each other. And last but not least, a microfiber twin XL sheet set from Target. There you go. Not a lot in this pallet. Rat rod out of the random car parts. That would actually be kind of fun. I've actually been thinking about doing a custom e-bike out of all the e-bike parts we have. I could probably build a pretty nice type. All right, I'm going to climb out of this pallet. I'm going to take that one in. That's pretty cool. All right, everybody. So that was the pallet for today. And I wish there was more to it, that we had a few more things in it. I knew that that one was going to be all big items. Don't forget, pet supplies, 15% off. We've had a lot of people come in today. We sold a lot more of the antler pieces. Let me show you what we have left. We still have a few, but dogs love them. So if you have a fur baby that needs something fun to chew on, there you go. We still do have a lot of pet supplies here. The 15% off. We don't have a lot of pet supplies on our website, so tomorrow we're still going to do the 15% off on pet supplies all day long, as well as our other daily discount, whatever it is. So I'll be back in the morning at 11. We'll open up another daily discount card. We've had a lot of people out here today, which is usually kind of unusual for a Tuesday. You know, we usually stay steady, but today's been a really good day. Anyway, thank you guys again for all your support. Austin, thanks for tuning in. Dan, everybody else that's got on, that's watched the video, and everybody that watches the video, thank you guys so much. We have a couple things that we're going to announce later this week that we want to do, that Clarissa and I have been working on putting together. So stay tuned for that. And other than that, have a great rest of your night, and we'll see you guys soon.